In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Notion. This setup allows your events and schedules to stay aligned across both platforms, so your planning and tracking stay consistent without manual updates. To begin, open your browser and go to app2sync.com. This website is where the entire synchronization process happens. Once the page loads, look for the option related to syncing Notion with Google Calendar. The layout is simple and easy to navigate, so you should be able to spot it quickly. Click on that option to start creating the connection between the two tools. Next, you will be asked to connect your Google account. Click the Sign In button and follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Make sure you select the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one calendar. During this process, you will be asked to grant permissions. This access allows the service to read and update events on your calendar, which is required for syncing to work properly. Once everything is confirmed, click Continue to move forward. After connecting Google Calendar, it is time to link your Notion workspace. Before doing this, it helps to already have a database in Notion where your calendar events or tasks will live. This keeps everything organized and easier to manage later. Back on the sync page, choose the option to connect Notion. Log in if prompted, but if not, just click Next and select your workspace. When the permission screen appears, click Allow Access so the service can update your database as changes happen. Now you will be asked to choose which Notion database you want to sync. Take a moment here to select the database that best fits calendar events, such as one for meetings or deadlines. If your database does not appear in the list, you can add it manually. Open Notion, go to the database, click Share in the top right, and copy the database link. Return to the sync page, paste the link, click Add Database, and then Continue. As you move forward, you will see a few confirmation screens. These allow you to define how the sync behaves, such as filtering which events are included. For now, you can keep the default settings and continue without adding conditions. Finally, you will be given the option to test the synchronization. Click the Test button and wait a moment while the system checks everything. Once you see a success message, click Continue one last time. Your Google Calendar and Notion are now fully synced and ready to keep your schedule up to date automatically. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.